a film by the Prehistoric Code.
Millennia, it has been our constant companion in the night sky. A source of wonder, of poetry, of myth, a symbol of calm and serenity. But its origin story is one of the most violent and cataclysmic events this planet has ever witnessed. This is not a story of gentle creation. This is the story of the day Earth was torn apart to give birth to its only child.
Our story begins not with a gentle cradle, but with a hellscape. Welcome to the Hadean Eon. Earth is a newborn, just 50 million years old. Its surface is a global ocean of magma, constantly churned by titanic impacts. There is no water, no air to breathe, no life. And, crucially, there is no moon. The nights are pitch black, broken only by the faint light of a young sun.
The early solar system was a chaotic shooting gallery. Worlds collided, merged, and were destroyed on a regular basis. And in this cosmic dance of destruction, a new player was entering the stage, on a collision course with destiny. Meet Theia, a planet roughly the size of Mars. For millions of years, it had shared a similar orbit with Earth around the Sun. But gravity is a relentless choreographer. The subtle tugs between the planets destabilize their delicate dance. Theia was pulled from its stable path, set on an inescapable rendezvous with its neighbor. Imagine the view from Earth's surface. Over thousands of years, a new, terrifyingly bright star would have appeared in the sky, growing larger with each passing century until it dominated the heavens. The pull of its gravity would have created global magma tides, cracking the thin crust open in continent-spanning fissures. The end was coming, and it was inevitable. And then it happened. Theia struck not with a glancing blow, but a direct, head-on impact. The energy released is beyond human comprehension. In a single moment, more heat was generated than by the sun itself. The impactor's iron core sank directly into the heart of our young planet, forever merging with Earth's own core. Earth was unmade. In less than a day, it was transformed from a planet into a tormented, half-vaporized sphere, surrounded by a crown of its own remains. This was the absolute lowest point in our planet's history, a baptism of fire that should have spelled its end. And then, physics took over. In the vacuum of space, the debris ring began to behave as gravity intended. Particles collided, not with destructive force, but sticking together in a process called accretion. Smaller chunks became larger rocks, then mountain-sized planetesimals, all orbiting the scarred Earth. Within the glowing debris disk, multiple moonlets orbited Earth. They occasionally collided and merged in brilliant flashes of light, each collision creating a larger, more spherical proto-moon. This was a dynamic and violent formation process, a final act of creation from the chaos. A single large molten sphere now cleared its orbital path, gravitationally capturing remaining debris. The final large moonlet was absorbed in a spectacular collision, completing the moon's accretion. From the chaos, a new world was born.
In a geological instant, the moon was born. Not the cool gray companion we know, but a furious sphere of molten rock, orbiting a mere 15,000 miles away. So close it would have filled a quarter of the sky, its surface hot enough to glow with the light of a second sun.
The moon's immediate effects were profound. Its gravitational pull acted as a brake, slowing Earth's frantic spin and stabilizing its wobbly axis. This stability gave us the predictable seasons and the 24-hour day we know. Our world was finally finding its balance. Its tidal forces churned the primordial oceans, mixing the chemical ingredients for life. These were not gentle waves, but planet-spanning walls of water, stirring the seas of the young planet. This constant motion may have been crucial for sparking the first life. Without the moon, Earth would be an alien world. Days would be short, the climate chaotic and unpredictable. The tides would be feeble, driven only by the sun. It's possible complex life would never have gained a foothold. The moon was the guardian that made our world a cradle. It protected us, guided us, and ultimately called to us. This is the ultimate symbol of that call. Humanity touching its celestial sibling, completing a journey that began with a cataclysm. A footprint on another world, but a piece of our own. So, when you look up at the moon tonight, remember its incredible origin. It is a piece of our own world, forged in a fire of cosmic violence. A reminder that from destruction can come beauty, and from chaos, a perfect companion for our journey around the sun.